Okay, today by using AI in the right way, even complete beginner can sell $1.5 thousand a month SEO services. So I will tell you exactly how to do it. The first step will be actually to cold outreach some people to find leads. If you don't know me, I've been a French SEO consultant, so French SEO expert since 2021. I worked in a premium SEO agency in Paris, and I've been doing SEO campaigns to brands. Even you can see that this one, Amosid, I've been their SEO manager for more than 2 years. So I will tell you exactly what steps you need to follow and what AI you need to use if you want to do this as well. When I was doing SEO, like manual SEO, I need to do all by myself. You need, for example, a course on how to use software like SEMrush or whatever to know exactly how to do, what to do, and what to prioritize for your clients. But now you don't need this anymore. So the first step is to cold outreach to find leads. So here we'll just go on ChatSEO, and what you can do, I will just put it in English. What you can do is ask him to do outreach for you. So I will just here I will just put myself in SEO search, so the mode without any website connected or whatever. We can tell that this is for brainstorming, and I will ask it. I'm SEO consultant. I wanna find leads in the let's say automobile topic. Find websites and points of contact. If you don't know ChatSEO yet, this is an AI chatbot that I trained on my process, my expert processes, and so yeah, that's why this is the best SEO tool today. This is not like Claude only or ChatGPT only. There are real SEO processes inside. It accesses the best data, for example, your Google Search Console, etc. And so what we'll do now is just find leads, and then we'll ask ChatSEO to analyze their websites and to give us 3 or 5 SEO opportunities so that we can outreach them with value in our first message. I can show you actually an example of messages that I sent to promote my tool ChatSEO, but you can do literally the same to promote your SEO services. Okay, so this is the perfect example. This guy is working as a CMO at SimplyJet, and I just send this message. So, hey Gaetan, SlimpyJet.ch ranks second for private jet Switzerland, and your 2 most linked page have 160 plus sites pointing at them, but Google likely can't read the content due to a rendering bug. And you can see that here Gaetan answered me, and my reply rate is about, I think, like 20 to 30%, which is insane. So here we had a little bug on the conversation, but you don't even have to link the conversation to it because you don't want to promote my tool. You just want to use my tool to do a specific outreach. So we'll just see what ChatSEO just did. So here, okay, 8 lead identified. This site. We have here contact. So for example, an email. If you want to use a dedicated outreach tool, you can do it because it will be maybe more efficient than just ChatSEO. But you can, for example, if you want to outreach this one, we can just create a new chat in SEO search mode, and we will ask, for example, find me the 3 best SEO opportunities for this website. Then we'll just click enter. So right now ChatSEO is analyzing the website. You can see, if you're curious, what he's doing, so domain overview, etc. Even SERP analysis to find some pages of the website. And so as a reminder, we are only here on the first step of the process. Then we'll have other steps. So for example, just after closing deals, then doing SEO strategy and keyword researches. So just stay until the end of the video if you want to get all the value and really be able to sell $1,500 a month SEO services. Okay, so here are the SEO opportunities. It dominates nearby these keywords, okay. Then Honda model comparison and research content. So you don't even need to read all the opportunities. What you need to do is to give this, or just ask ChatSEO to do a new Twitch message based on this. So just do an outreach message based on this. I wanna sell SEO services. So you just have to ask this, and you will see it will write a very great outreach message. Okay, so here is the message. Hi, first name, your site ranks well in Greenbelt, but you're leaving real money on the table in the surrounding area. So yeah, this is pretty good. So this is really the first step. Then what you need to do is to, so if you have an answer from this lead, you will just want to have a first call with the person. Then you will program a real SEO proposal meeting. So you will just program Google Meet or whatever. And what you need to do is to do prompt like this with ChatSEO, but to go deeper and deeper and deeper. And you will find many optimization points that you can then give to Claude Code, for example, and ask it to do a PowerPoint. So we can just do it right now if you want to see how to do it. So I'll just ask him, find way more opportunities. I want to do a real SEO proposal, point PPT. Okay, so as you can see here, ChatSEO just created me this full SEO proposal document. We'll just have to download it and give it to Claude Code, so that Claude Code can create a real SEO PowerPoint proposal. Okay, so now I will be using Claude Code. So just we can do open folder. Here I will just give it access to my my whole desktop. Okay, and then I will just take the name of the document here, and I will tell him I want you to create a full $1,500 a month SEO proposal dot PPT or Google slide based on my desk. Okay, so we'll just wait, and after we'll go deeper in actually how to do real SEO campaigns with real results, and to have clients that stay with you months over months, and maybe years over years. Okay, so this is good. Claude just generated me the SEO proposal, so we'll just check it. So here we have the PDF. So okay, that's literally the first time I create PPT thanks to Claude. But as you can see, this is I'm a bit shocked right now, to be honest. This is really nice. So here maybe you can change the proposal, but that's really great. So you can do this. I won't spend more time on the two first steps of the process, because I want to show you how to actually do real SEO. when the client will be signed. So let's go now. Okay, so the first step of any SEO campaign or SEO strategy is to actually identify the SEO global strategy and to do some keyword researches. So you may have guessed we will just work on ChatSEO. So here we can take the site chatseo.app, and we have a pre-prompt just here that's named Build My SEO Strategy. So basically just ask ChatSEO, give me the best SEO strategy to follow for my site. We'll press enter, and you will see that ChatSEO will do a real smart work and identifying patterns of keywords or directions you can take that are business oriented for the clients, and so very, very relevant. Here is the SEO strategy for chatseo.app. So it analyzed my SEO performances on Google Search Console. So it knows exactly how much clicks I do over the last 90 days, for example. And then it proposes me some categories of keywords. So competitors comparisons, for example, Href versus SEO ranking, which are two competitors of our tool. Then SEO audit tool with this kind of keyword, etc. So for any website, you can just connect it to ChatSEO and copy paste the same prompt I just did, and you will have relevant recommendations on which keywords to target, which SEO angle you should take, or whatever. So yeah, here you have some phases, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, etc. Some summary just here, which is quite great. Now I'll just ask it, just list me the best business keyword. For example, if your client is asking you what we'll do the next month or things like that, you can just copy paste these keywords and tell him that you will target, let's say, 4 new keywords in the next month. You will create some pages, etc. So this is really the first step, just considering the business model of the website and the SEO search volume, what should you do so that you will drive traffic to the website, but that will be qualified and business traffic, which is really different from just driving informational traffic or whatever. So this can really increase the revenue of your clients, and your client will be happy and will stay with you and will pay you month over month. So that's the deal. Okay, so here are some business keywords. So this is for the third step. Then you will have content creation. You now know which keywords to target. So now how to target them. You can just ask ChatSEO, for example, if I want to target this keyword, so keyword research tool for SEO, which is pretty great for us with a low difficulty apparently. I will just ask ChatSEO, I wanna target this keyword, and it will do a complete SEO brief. So here is really interesting because that's the more complex part of the work, because finding relevant keywords is pretty easy, but then knowing how to target them, which page, which content angle you should do on the page, etc. This is pretty difficult. So here, ChatSEO is following all these steps I've been following manually over the past years as an SEO consultant. So you can see checking existing page for keywords. So here is just checking on the Google Search Console if you already have a page that is targeting this keyword. Then it will analyze the SERP of the keyword, so basically just searching for the keyword on Google and see what results are currently ranking on the top four, the top three, for the keyword. And so by doing this, ChatSEO will know exactly which page you should create. Also, it will analyze the content of your competitors. So, for example, here Zapier, which has a best keyword research tool page. So it just scrapped the title, the meta description. It knows how many words the page has, etc. And just basically it understands, it reads and understands all the content of the page. So here is our full optimization plan. So the primary keyword is this. Here are the secondary keywords to target in the same page. The expected page type, so a mix of landing page and comparison to landing page, okay, title, H1, all the structure, which is pretty efficient. And as you can see, it just only it doesn't just only give the H2, etc. It also tells how you should answer in the specific question. So for example here, the H2, how ChatSEO's keyword research tool works, it specifies that you should answer, you should write a step-by-step guide, so connect GSC, enter topic, etc. And finally you have the checklist. And then if you want to write the full content, you can. So here you just have to say yes. So want me to write the full content based on this plan, you just say yes, and ChatSEO will do all for you. So we'll wait for the content. But then you need to know that you can also work, the last thing is working the authority of your website. And so what you can do here is just analyze my authority, my SEO authority, and do optimization recommendations. Okay. So we'll just check for the content also. Okay, so here is the content ChatSEO just generated me. So the AI keyword research tool that finds what your competitors miss. Here is the best way to write for SEO today, in my opinion, is really writing synthetic pages, synthetic text. So you have a TLDR section just here. Then you have a lot of bullet points, bold sections. If you put yourself in the user's, the reader shoes, you can see that you're not bored by the text. Like there isn't too many text to be read properly. That's really synthetic. So yeah, ChatSEO can also write articles for you, and that's for the future. But in a few months, ChatSEO will be able to connect to your CMS, to your website, and to modify directly, modify the pages or create new ones. So new ones. That's the goal of the tool, to be a real 24/7 SEO employee that actually does SEO for you, but that you can ask it some questions too if you want to progress in SEO or just sell SEO services like you can do right now. Okay, so here is the authority and branding analysis from ChatSEO. So it just gives me again some statistics, some SEO performances. We don't care about this, to be honest. But here it analyzed well my backlinks, referring domains, branding also. So it analyzed that it saw that there were product hunt pages on our SERP, things like this. And so here is the conclusion. So brand visibility is good, well established in France. That is really relevant. We mainly focus ourselves on the France for the beginning of our adventure. But we'll start to grow on the English speaking side. And so here, domain authority, so currently building with almost 90 referring domain. The ratio is great. So yeah, I agree. I do agree. Deep page backlinks, a critical gap because our homepage currently gets all the backlinks. That's true. Topical authority in early stage with mainly comparison cluster, and that's really really relevant because if you go to ChatSEO and then on the blog, so here are all our SEO creations, we can say. There are a lot of competitors comparison. So for example, here Href versus Majestic, SEMrush versus Main Goals, SEMrush versus Surfer, SEO, etc. So yeah, so that's pretty great. And then you can do so authority and branding recommendations based on this to your client. So if you want, ChatSEO is just asking you follow-up question. You just have to say yes, basically, and it will do fine. So now the last step is SEO reports. So when I worked in an SEO agency in Paris, SEO reports were a big thing in our classic day or classic months of SEO campaign. So even if you're a free user of ChatSEO, you will receive this weekly SEO report. So here it is in French, but we don't care. With the overall performances, the clicks evolutions week over week, the growing keywords with the clicks variation and the position variation too. The keywords that are currently decreasing too. That's really interesting to look at them. And your SEO, your top SEO opportunities. So basically the keywords that are driving you a lot of impressions in the Google Search Console, but that don't do many clicks. So just after, you just have to click here. So analyze my data, which is a free use of ChatSEO. It won't cost you a credit or whatever. And here you can just I don't know why it's not working right now, but normally it's working. Okay, it was working indeed. But it will just analyze your report and tell you what you should do next. So with all of that, you can easily sell for $1,500 a month SEO services.